I trust in arms the whole time of my servants. I shall surpass the perfection that men deem true finesse. Frank, humble in need, fool, gay and full of courtliness, with ladies when he finds them just as foolish, nothing less. They love him so heartily, therefore I sigh in my distress on where the wretch will hold against what land's duress. Since Lord Barrow fails him, he waits, whate'er the stress, and our court henceforth of returning has no thought, I confess. Much he feigns himself refined and wise, yet such his sensitive pals. For his wrong the provincial count has cast him from his walls, and the other count wants him not, for he knows what he is and what befalls. And they say both temple and hospital find him one who appalls. For among them no cowardly nor disloyal man ever calls. I marvel much how Lord Barrow can keep him within his walls, for in a good Lord's service his worth entirely palls. For his body is great and long, and his heart is small and false. Shall we see appear the false coward, faithless to God and false unto his Lord the coward? Henceforth, since peace comes and the glad time of flower, he should display himself with a garland of bower. But while the war endured, so great was his cower, his greatest enemies never saw him in the hour. And a lady who bestows on such a knight her dower has just as much of worth as he of knightly power. Like a man, go tiptoe and strut, swaggering as he can, and his great wicked body they gird and admire each man. Wearing a gold-stitched shirt his wife sews all year as best she can, so she stays needy and the children weep, poor clan. Now I have touched him to the quick, for he knows my song and plan. Truth of his wretchedness that shame cannot soften any man, so shameless is the false convict of deceit, that man. The show he'll make, though it may cause him fear, he'll prize no wit deal, he hears me say 'tis clear. He will not act, I think, according to my steer, and since his thought is such he fears no failing sheer, nor to deny Christ, nor breaking notes sincere, nor to deep